What's up, guys? Today, let's take this 2022 Cadillac Escalade ESV Sport Platinum for a test drive. It's powered by a 6.2 liter V8 with 420 horsepower. Pretty loaded vehicle. Captain's chairs, you got TVs, it's got the AKG sound system with speakers mounted on the headrests. Very comfortable seats. Massive screen right here. And then for the gauge cluster, you can have the map. Augmented reality camera, which I'm not sure what the point of it is, but it is cool. You have heated ventilated seats and ventilated seats. Yeah, let's just go for a quick drive. This is a long wheelbase. It's massive. So much room for passengers in here and cargo space, and it's super luxurious. Cadillac's done a great job with the new Escalade and a lot of the other newer products. I really like V8 Cadillacs, like this Escalade, Escalade V, CT5V Blackwing, all awesome cars. Even despite being such a big SUV, the body roll isn't too bad. Handles pretty well for its size. Brakes well too. That engine sounds amazing. Anyways, thank you for watching this quick video of the Cadillac Escalade Sport Platinum. Please stay tuned for more content and please consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one.